this week's video. We're getting back into the Get Healthy With Me series. I've had some time off. I don't think it's gonna be a consistent like weekly video anymore. It's gonna film like whatever healthy portions or what habits I'm trying to form when it comes to getting healthy. I haven't weighed myself. I measured myself the other day and my measurements are about the same from when I started. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. And I think this time I'm not really gonna make it about weight loss or inches lost. If I look healthier, I'm more comfortable in my body, or I can train better. That's all that really matters. Just got out of bar class. Of course, I didn't wipe my camera before I filmed. So most of the footage is kind of low quality, but I think you got a glimpse of kind of what the workouts are like. It's very much body weight, really like low impact, which I really like because I'm not trying to do like burpees and all that stuff. But it got me going, got my heart rate up, got me sweating, but I also don't feel like I just tortured my body or anything like that. So check if you have a location near you. I use ClassPass to take classes at my Bar3 studio instead of signing up for like an unlimited membership. I probably go like once a week, sometimes twice, because my studio is really low credits for some reason. So I can take a class for 2 credits or 3 credits, which is really on the low spectrum of ClassPass. Bar is a combination of Pilates, ballet, and yoga. I'm gonna go home and make breakfast. So something big that I realized on my way home is that taking care of my body and getting in shape also correlates to just taking care of my body in general. And that is like the simplest things of showering. Which sounds so horrible saying out loud. Or recently it has been moisturizing my skin because I like never put on lotion. So I bought this spray moisturizer because I don't like putting on lotion. So it's like so easy. This thing's $6. I just spray it on and it absorbs. So now when I get out of the shower, I'm just gonna do this. But even things like this make me want to just take care of my body more in so many different ways than just working out. Because I think for a long time I limited like taking care of myself meant working out. But in reality, it means having a skincare like routine, taking care of my skin, moisturizing my skin, drinking water. God says our body is a temple, and I'm gonna moisturize this temple, okay? Broccoli, scrambled eggs, hot sauce, and then I've been adding sauerkraut. I will show you the exact one that I use. It's actually really good. I got a dill flavored. I'm just gonna watch a YouTube video and eat. This is the sauerkraut that I add. And basically, I just want to increase my probiotics through kombucha or just like natural foods and sauerkraut. This dill and garlic flavor is actually really good. This is the broccoli I use. It's from Trader Joe's, and I just steam the whole bag and then use it like throughout the week. So I'll put it in a pan with all the seasoning. Makes it really easy. It is 10:40 and I'm having dinner. I got off at work at I got home from work at like 9:30, and I only really have like a couple snacks during work, so I never typically eat dinner when I'm there. So I thought I would show you what I made for dinner because I think I show you guys a lot of what I have for breakfast, but not of dinner. So this is what I made. Super easy. I did the Trader Joe's shrimp stir fry. It's like a frozen thing. You just put it in a pan with some oil, but I added some quinoa that I had prepped last week. I also added some Trader Joe's teriyaki sauce and some seasoning. And then I was in the mood for pasta. So we're just having a little bit of both. I made chickpea pasta. They're called bonza noodles, and it's basically noodles made from chickpeas. So they have a lot of protein in them. And I just added some pesto from Costco and some pepper. So I'll probably have like half of this, and I'll definitely probably finish this. But Unfortunately, I have to eat pretty late at night. I know it would be beneficial to not eat before bedtime because I'm going to eat all this food and then I'm just going to go to bed and not burn any of it off. I do try to fast in the morning, so I usually don't have breakfast till like 11 or 12, but it's been really hard for me to try to cut out eating before bed. Like, I would love to stop eating at 8 p.m., but I just get off work late and I don't have time always to eat at work. So good morning. I am reading 1 Corinthians and something in here totally correlated to kind of like getting healthy. So I just wanted to share it. 1 Corinthians 6:13. You know the old saying, first you eat to live and then you live to eat. Well, it may be true that the body is only a temporary thing, but that's no excuse for stuffing your body with food or indulging it with sex. Since the master honors you with the body, honor him with your body. This part was really cool. God honored the master's body by raising it from the grave. He'll treat yours with the same resurrection power. I thought that was really cool that I read that this morning. The part where he talks about like Jesus's body and how he honored it in such a way that he raised it from the grave and that he'll treat our bodies with that same resurrection power is so cool. So basically, if you are trying to lose weight right now, if you're trying to get healthier or make healthier decisions, invite God into that because he will honor you with the same resurrection power as he did with Jesus's body. And that's insane. I just watched this YouTube video and this lady had lost 100 pounds in less than a year, and the title of the video was like, my weight loss journey with Jesus. She had attempted to lose weight so many times and she finally decided, she's like, I asked God for help in every area, why don't I just invite him into this weight loss journey? And she did, and she ended up losing 100 pounds, and it was such an inspiring video, so I will leave that linked in the description. Good morning. It is Saturday. I didn't work out yesterday, but I worked for 10 hours, so I was on my feet for 10 hours walking. And this morning, I'm just starting off my day with this big mason jar of water. They say you should drink half your body weight in ounces at least a day. So I'm trying to drink my body weight in ounces. So double what they suggest, which is about 4 of these. I like took away the sticker system. I'm not keeping track of when I'm working out or when I'm not. And that has been a lot healthier for me mentally. I made a little snack. It's a Trader Joe's oatmeal packet. I add blueberries, cacao nibs, almond butter, coconut flakes. I'm about to go to bed. I wanted to show you guys my bloating right now. I have struggled with like extreme bloating, especially in my past. It would get really bad, super painful, like it would seriously look I was so pregnant. When I got off birth control, the bloating almost stopped completely, but randomly I do get bloated, and it's not just like regular bloating, it's very uncomfortable bloating. So I will show you guys what my stomach looks like right now because it is very bloated. I don't know exactly why it's bloated or if I ate something my body doesn't like. This is me not pushing out at all. This is me sucking in. I can't suck it in. Good morning. I think the thing that bugs me the most is that I hold my weight in my face. Like I just feel like my face is always like inflamed. I'm gonna use an ice roller and see, but like having extra weight on other parts of my body, I'm like, whatever. But my face, because you can see it and it's so visible, I think that's the part I get like most insecure about. But I gotta love myself now. So we're gonna work on that. But I just want to be honest about kind of like what I'm struggling with, and that is definitely my face. I checked on ClassPass for some classes this morning, and there was nothing that I was really interested in doing besides reformer Pilates, which is a killer workout. So I checked on ClassPass, and one class is $16, so I'm not gonna do that. But I looked on their website and they have 1 week for $50. So I looked at the schedule and I'll be able to make enough classes this week to make it worth it for me. So I'm gonna try to go to like 5 classes this week. Hopefully I like it. Something else I've been contemplating doing is doing like I really want to do one of those videos where it's like I run a mile every day, or like doing the Couch to 5K app. I think that would be like a cool video to see me progress in. But I have bad sensitive knees, so I know if I wanted to do that video, I definitely would want to buy running shoes to make it more comfortable for me. So that is something I'm also considering doing, but I also have to be willing to buy running shoes. But that might be a good idea because I'm going on a cruise and I do want to work out while I'm on my cruise, so they have like a running track on it, so I think that would be really cool to be able to like run outside on the track. So I know I would get a lot of use of the running shoes because all the workout shoes I have right now are not very comfortable to run in. So maybe that's something I'll do today, go stop and grab those and maybe do that video, because I think that would be a cool journey. I definitely struggle with consistency and building habits, so that would be a good challenge for me. I talked to my therapist and she always says like the most important thing I can be doing is making my bed in the morning, because that is like a small thing. If I don't do that, I won't really have the self-belief to do anything else. So that is something I've been working on, is just making my bed every morning. Body update. I've been using this Native deodorant. It's from Target. It is a natural deodorant, and I haven't been able to find many deodorants that are natural that work. Like I used to use the Schmidt's one, but it would give me like almost like razor burn in my armpits. It would like irritate them. And I've tried a few other ones that I just like sweat through, but that Native one, I really don't sweat and it smells really good. I got the coconut vanilla one. I just got to Pilates and I'm literally appalled. They're talking on the radio. They're talking about like being a virgin and how like you should just get it over with. I'm just like, I can't believe that this stuff is on the radio. How are you about to talk on the radio about having sex and how if you're a virgin, you should just lose it because it's too much pressure? And the guy is talking about how he would run for the hills if the girl was a virgin. I'm just like, this is not appropriate for the radio, and it makes me really sad. Okay, I need to find this studio. In other news, look how cute this little downtown area is. For breakfast I had scrambled eggs, and I'm also having a bowl of cereal. Cereal is my guilty pleasure. This is something I could probably cut out, but I watched this video by JC Marie and Chelsea, who's a health coach, and she described it as crowding. out the unhealthy foods. So instead of focusing on like, oh, cutting out all cereal or processed carbs, instead I just focus on adding more vegetables and healthy foods to my diet. And then if I have a bowl of cereal, I have a bowl of cereal. But with that being said, there's a lot more healthy things that I'm adding. I just finished editing this video. Sorry, there's a train coming by. I'm in downtown Naperville. I decided to come by Naperville Running Co. to just have them see if they have any suggestions for what would work best with my feet for running shoes. I was in the area, so I figured I might as well stop in and see what they have to say. I think they have a treadmill where they can test things out as well. Okay, I pulled the trigger and I got some shoes. The lady was super helpful. Oh yeah, I'm a freaking runner. So these are the ones I got. What are they? They're the Asics Flight Foam. And I'm excited to try them out. I was walking around the store with them. I went on the treadmill with them. So I kind of feel a little bit dumb for buying them before Black Friday because I feel like they might be on sale for Black Friday. I got them for 10% off, but I feel like I should have waited. But that's okay. Saving money has been amazing, but now it's like uncomfortable to spend money, so I'm just trying to find balance in that. And these shoes were $110, so a little bit pricier of a purchase, but I haven't been spending money on like anything. I haven't been shopping at all really, so this is like my biggest splurge in a while, so it just feels like a little uncomfortable, but I know it was a good investment. And I think I actually might go for a run tonight and try them out. That sounds horrible. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You are actually watching, or this clip, I'm actually filming on the day that it's being posted. So it is currently Monday, and this video is gonna go live in a little bit. So if you guys enjoyed this little Get Healthy With Me update, I know it's a little bit different than the original series I had plans, but we need to make adjustments that serve ourselves in the best way possible, mentally and physically. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and be sure to use my ClassPass promo code because that would really help me out. All right, I love you guys. Bye.
I see the blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.